guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Al Pena, and in this channel, I invite you to tag along with me during my weight loss journey. But I also go through life just like you guys. So just like when you guys are looking for how to make the next big buck or how to make ends meet or how to go through scheduling life with work and all these different things, I'm just like you guys. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for coming to watch me. But also, if you haven't yet, go ahead on my channel, go watch the intro video. And in the intro video, you'll be able to get a better understanding on what this channel is about. So go ahead, go watch the video, we'll wait. Now, if you watch the video and you're coming back to watch the video, thank you for coming back and watching. So, if you guys watch the video, that means that you know that I have 5 jobs. Now, I don't have 5 full-time jobs because that's impossible, but I have 1 full-time and a bunch of part-time jobs. One of the main jobs that I have now, and one of the jobs that I've been able to make money and consistently and really use this job as a way to do it the way I want to do it. And this job is really so flexible. And that's why I want to talk about it and help you guys try this if you guys are interested in making money in Orlando. So, my first job is DoorDash. So, what is DoorDash? DoorDash is an app that you can go ahead and order food on this app and then have somebody like me pick up the order and have the food delivered to you. It's just that simple, people. You pick up someone's food, drop it at their door, and you're done. It's that simple. Now, in order for you to do DoorDash, you need to apply. Now, when I say apply, you're not applying like you're applying for a job. Basically, what you're doing is you're putting in information so that DoorDash can do a background check on you. And that's going to be the tell-all if DoorDash lets you deliver on their platform. So what you need to do is you need to go on their website, which is the DoorDash/Dasher/sign up. And from there, what you'll do is you'll first put in your zip code, then you'll put in your email address, and then you put in your phone number. From there, you'll be put in a pool of drivers. And basically, depending how busy your area is how fast you're gonna be able to dash. Now, when I first signed up for DoorDash, I waited 2 weeks, and then they sent me a text message and told me that if I was ready to dash. Once they told me that, what I had to do was then go on and furthermore put all the information they needed for the background check. And now, this is the kind of things that they ask for. So they're gonna ask for, of course, your name, address, phone number. They're gonna ask for your driver's license information. They're gonna ask for your social security number, and they're gonna ask for your vehicle information. All these things together, they're able to create a background check. And then from there, they'll be able to make the determination exactly if you're able to drive in their platform. So they make all the determination, and it's usually pretty quick on how fast they make a decision because they use this system called Checkr, CHCKR, I think. Yeah, so they use that to determine your background. Once you do that, you're able to go and be approved as a driver. So what's the next step? Once you're ready to dash and they approve you and everything like that, you go through a scheduling process. Now, DoorDash, what they let you do is they let you sign up for blocks of time. So for example, let's say I'm a driver and I want to drive in Orlando, downtown Orlando. Basically, what it'll show all the times that are available in downtown Orlando. And then from there, I'll be able to select this time slot and work that time slot. Now, that doesn't mean I have to work the whole time spot. It doesn't mean that, you know, I can't work longer. You just got to be able to find different time slots, and that's why I like it so much, because you're basically making your own schedule. You can say, hey, you know what, I want to work for an hour, I'm going to work for an hour. I want to work for 4, I'm going to work for 4. And that's basically how you do it. From there, once you're set up to do your dash and you're there in your area, you have to make one order, and then you'll be able to be more involved with DoorDash. So my fancy little bag here, they don't send you that until you make your first order. Also, once you do your first order, they send you this card right here. This is called the DoorDash Red Card. Basically, what this DoorDash card does is that, let's say, for example, there's a restaurant and they don't accept food orders unless they're paid for first. So what you would do as a dasher, you would drive to this location with the information of the person's food that they want, and then from there you will order it, and then you would pay with this card. Now, DoorDash puts the funds into this card automatically once you accept your order. Once you accept the order, you pay for the food, and that's it. The funds on the card are done. So you don't have to worry about it having extra money or anything like that, because just like right now, I show you guys the card, doesn't have any money on it anyway. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. That's the 2 things that you get in the activation kit. And then from there, you can furthermore and start dashing whenever you want. What are the best ways for you to dash? So here's some tips. Some of the things that you're gonna need when you dash are, the biggest one is a cell phone. You're gonna need a cell phone that has great service. You're gonna need a cell phone that you're gonna have access to the internet. You're gonna have to have a limited internet, unless you're gonna pay for it, but you're gonna be using a lot of data. So I suggest you get a phone with unlimited internet. Also, you're gonna need a reliable vehicle. You're gonna need a car that, you know, you're gonna put miles on your vehicle, and you're gonna have to have, you know, good gas mileage. I mean, I've seen people that drive a F-350 and still do great doing DoorDash, but you know, it's all on you, but that's just my suggestion. Another thing that you're gonna need is you're gonna need to know how to use that app. You're gonna have to be familiar with the app. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, and that's why I love DoorDash, because, you know, somebody that's never done DoorDash before, once you sign in, you can be a master on the app in less than 10 minutes. I mean, it's that simple, guys. So those are the kind of things that I think that you should need with DoorDash, just to make everything easier. Just so that you understand, DoorDash is one of those apps where if you want to make money, you have to work. You get what you put in. If you put in an hour, you're gonna get an hour's worth of work. If you put in 5, you put in 4, you know what I'm saying? You get what you put in, you know what I'm saying? For me, if you wanna make a certain amount of money, you can do it. If you watch the next video, right? This next video, I make $24 an hour. Now, that's great money here in Orlando. It may not be great in New York or whatever, but that's great money here, especially if, you know, you lost your job due to COVID-19 and, you know, you need to make a quick buck to make ends meet. And, you know, that's great money to make. And these are great opportunities for anybody that wants to do DoorDash. So I'm gonna say this. I'm not a DoorDash expert. I've done DoorDash for a long time now, and I do pretty well on it. And that's why when I saw that there was a lot of people that were losing their jobs due to COVID-19, I think this is a perfect platform for somebody that wants to make money. A perfect platform for somebody that, you know, can't get a job, but they can drive. Like, this is a great platform. So if you have any questions, anything that you want me to elaborate some more, I'm gonna be doing more videos like this and more videos of me going all over Central Florida and, you know, doing different places to see where, you know, the best places are. And if you know the best places on where they are and you're ready to do DoorDash, let me know. You guys can always find me on the comments. You can always find me on Instagram at apena24. You can find me on Twitter and Facebook at the Al Pena Show. And these are all places that you guys can connect with me. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you guys have for me in reference to this. If you lost your job and you're trying to figure out, like, hey, listen, how can I do this quick and boom, get with me and I'll show you exactly the way how I did it. Also, I'm gonna put a referral code in the description. And what this does is this gives us an opportunity to be into different, they have a lot of like things where they help drivers. So, you know, you sign up, it helps me, and by helping me, it helps you. So different incentives and things like that is the word that I was looking for. So I wanna say one thing. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and watch video number 2. It's a great video on how to use the app, how interactive the app is, how the app goes, and how much money you can really make. I make $24 an hour, guys. Watch the video, trust me. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this long. Go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so when you guys can, so you guys always know that, you know, my videos are posting. So go ahead. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. And if you ain't dashing, you ain't making money.